got a big fish on. We are out here and we're gonna be chasing after the flatheads. I did catch a nice flathead the other time here, but now it's going into August. The flathead should still be here. Weather has been a little bit cooler, just slightly. So I'm hoping that we'll catch some giant flatheads here. Water is really shallow, so it is a shallow river. If you guys are new to the channel, I do a lot of river fishing here for flathead, catfish, and channels. We got some really big flatheads here, but we're gonna see if we can get some today. So stay tuned, go fishing, let's have some fun. All right, we are here bright and early. All right, we're casting it upstream and hopefully a giant flathead. If I was a flathead, that's where I'll be. Dude, I thought it was a snake, bro. Flathead. All right, guys, we got a big fish on. Me and Beer. This is a flathead, dude. Bright and early. This is a flathead. Yes. This is a big guy, dude. Guys, we are on. I'm out here with my guy, Beer, dude. Beer, so what's up, dude?
Hey!
All right. We were just chatting, and then I thought I got snagged on a seaweed, but this is definitely a flat because it feels like a log here again, guys. And we are on bright and early. This is dope. Hopefully my line's strong enough. I didn't put no swivel this time. I just did floral leader to braid. But this is a flat right here. Dude, this feels so good, guys. Water's kind of warm, so hopefully it tires out fast. Let's get him, let's bring him downriver. I threw a yellow bass back out here. They're gonna get mad once they get to the shallow end over here, watch. They like that fast current, so we're gonna have to try to get some time. Let's see if I can pull them out from the current, because there's some big rocks in the current. All right, guys, I'm excited. I'm excited, dude. Let's go. Yeah, let's go, bro. On a super tiny octopus hook, guy. I think size 6 or something, or size 8. But no sinker, guys. It's really shallow, but hopefully Beer's net will fit, will help.
I hope so.
But this is what we came for, boys and girls. Oh man, it doesn't like Beer. Dude, he doesn't like you, dude. They are very sensitive, and they can feel vibration, dude. Oh my God, yeah, this guy does not like the shallow, dude. Me and Beer, we were just talking that the flat will more than likely sleep right underneath the running fast current. That's where the most oxygen supply is. So if I was a big old boy, I'll be sleeping there too. I just want to take my time and listen to the fish here. If it wants some line, you gotta open up your drag a little bit so we don't break off. But I do see my yellow bass along with a little bit of seaweed, and it is slowly coming to me. So let's see how big it is. I haven't seen it. I haven't seen the first bubble yet. Usually when they get gassed up, they'll blow some bubble up. All right, Beer. I put my faith in you, bro. Oh, there's a big one, dude. Hold on, Beer. Hold on, Beer. It is. Yeah, I'm gonna bring it to your left. It's coming to me. Yep. Let's go. That's a nice cat. Well, not as big as my first one, but this one's nice. This is definitely flathead, guys. Let's show them. Got him. Let's go, guys. Our first flat. We just got here. That was fun.
That's so big compared
to all right, Fernand. Catch and release, bro. You want to leave? Yeah, release him by the shallow here, right? Or right by the log up there. Feels heavy, Fernand? That's a big cat, dude. I told you, on the yellow bass, bro. I caught the yellow bass and then just threw it back at the spillway and then it bit.
Beautiful fish. All right, man, go back home.
It's gonna go back right under where I caught him, dude, under the current. Yeah, he'll slowly recover here. See you later, bud. Look at that, dude.
There he goes.
Oh, it's going back to shallow. It's kind of confused. Here you go, Fernand. Good job. See you later, bud.
Good job. Good fish, man. Awesome job.
So what I'm doing right now is I'm just trying to catch me a yellow bass with my ultralight setup here. So anytime when you come out here, you want to bring yourself the right tools for the right job. So you want to bring a small setup, like a small ultralight like this, and then you want to bring a heavier setup, which is for your catfish or your bigger fish, right? Those two combo is what you will need when you're out here in the river. If you want to, there you go, yellow bass right here. Nice yellow bass. So this is the perfect bait for flathead. Bear, you want hey Bear, put this one on, Bear.
Yeah.
So these yellow bass are right by this current here. There's a current that flows here right into the big spillway. And that's where I'm targeting the yellow bass. We are on the hunt for some shad because we want something that they're used to eating. So if they don't want the yellow bass, they may possibly want the shad. Oh, shad! I see shad. I saw some shad. Yes, we got some shad. Oh, let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Ooh, there's a whole school of shad here. What the heck? Oh my God! Oh, shad! Holy crap! Dude, there's a ton of shad here. Oh my gosh! There's a lot of shad. Let's go!
Dude!
Flathead snacks, bro. Go ahead.
Sad for days,
Yeah.
guys.
Just flathead and just soak this. Drift this around. You're good, bro.
No!
This is a
Adventure.
yeah, dude. This is where this is how I call my PB with the exact size shad, dude.
Nice.
So let's go. All you gotta do is just soak this. So whenever you guys come here, you want to match the hat. If you can't find shad from the river, then you gotta throw something that's similar to this stuff. So if they don't want the yellow bass or the bluegill, I bet you they're just hunting down. They're waiting for these shad to go downriver. So that is awesome. Let's go. If the yellow bass don't work, throw the shad. We could definitely use them here in the river. If you catch them from the river, you can use it here. It's definitely okay. So let's see if Beer can catch a giant flathead for us. All right, guys, Beer's on. He got a channel. I saw the body. Yeah, all the shad, dude. Fernette, look, Fernette. Yeah. Let's go, Beer. Heck yeah, that's a nice channel. Yeah. That's a nice channel, dude. Heck yeah, on the shad. Let's go. Beer, man, what's going on, bro?
Oh, I got another channel, I think.
All right, Beer's on. He's on the channel. I don't know what happened. Oh, the net is, we got the shad on the net. It's fine, he got him. Let's go, Beer, on the bait ball shad.
On the bait ball.
Dude, there's a lot of channel here, dude. Let's go, Beer. There's a second channel.
You guys got some fight in.
Yeah, they fight hard here, dude. They really don't like the shallow. Let's go, Beer. Oh, almost tripped. All right, Bear's on a nice cat again. Oh, that's a nice one, bro. That's a nice one, dude. Bring him in, man, bring him in. Oh, no, it's a channel. It's a big channel.
That's a big old channel.
That's a big channel, bro. Look.
Dude, that thing is
Nice. Good eater right here. Look at that, guys.
fatty, dude.
That's a good eater, dude.
Hey, look at that, dude.
On the bait ball, right on the side. Yep. That means they're just poking each other.
Yeah.
Just territorial, dude. They're fighting each other, man.
God, this is nice.
There's a ton of them in there. Let's go, Bear.
Circle hook. Got him around the side.
Let's go.
Nice.
Good job, Bear.
All right.
Cat master right here. Bear's on again. Bear, take it easy, bro. Yeah, that's.
Ooh, this guy got a lot of fight, man.
Try to muscle him through. Look at Bear. Look, he's been working out, man.
Yeah, man, I bet.
He's been working out. Look.
Yeah.
Yeah. Let's go, Bear.
Fighting.
Dude, this is so fun, bro. It's intense. Yeah, that's a channel. That's a channel. Yeah, it's right there. Bring him in, bro. Yeah, bring him in. Oh, it's a big channel. It's a big channel. No, you got it, dude. You got him. You got him. You got it. It's a big one. You got him. Yeah. Dude, that guy's big, bro. Oh, that's a nice one, bro. That's a channel. Look at that. Picture worthy, Bear.
Let's go.
On the side of the lip. That's how you want to hook him. Look at there. Bear brought the octopus hook on.
Yeah.
And he is good. Look at that, guys.
Nice channel.
Man, Bear, you did it again, bro.
Yeah, man, it's killing it. All right.
Let him go. Let him go in the shallows.
All right.
Back into the shallows. Look at that. She's mean.
Go.
She's not happy, dude. She's not happy. Look at that, dude.
There we go. All good.
Let's go, Bear. There you go. You got a shiner. You got a big old shiner. This is exactly what you want for bait. A big striped shiner right here, guys. Look at that. They're so strong. Big striped shiner, dude. Perfect for bait. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Okay, come over. Come over here. Come over here. That's a cat. That's a big cat. Come over here. Come over here. Yep, still on. Let's go, Fernand. No, stay right there. Stay right there. Find him in the pool. Find him in the pool. There you go. Ooh, it's a nice cat. That's a nice cat. Stay right there. Stay right there. Stay right there. You're good. You're good. That's a nice cat. Yep. Just let him swim. Let him swim. Let him swim. Yep. Ooh. Ooh. Fernand fell in the water, so that's why he had to take off his shirt. Otherwise, it's like 95 degrees here, but he finally got on a cat. Just let him get tired. Oh, let him get tired. Let him get tired. Let him get tired. Let him get tired, bro. Just stay right there, bro. You're good. Don't let him go in the fast water.
On the wet reel.
Yeah. You dropped the whole reel Wilson rod into the water, bro. Let's go. Got him. Let's go for that. Grab his tail. You gotta grab the tail. Grab the tail. Yep, grab the tail like a shark. There you go.
It's too slippery.
That's a PB, Fernand. Let's go. Good job, Fernand. Look at that. Look at that super long whisker, dude. Let's go, man. Good job, dude.